As your design changes, you will communicate updates to the larger project team using sets and packages in the Design Collaboration module, as we discussed previously. The project timeline tracks these packages as they are shared and consumed throughout the lifecycle of a project. It not only visualizes the package exchange events, but it allows design teams to view, create, modify, and consume packages from one streamlined interface. In this example, your architectural team needs to show the MEP and structural teams that they have changed several wall positions on the ground floor of the project. To communicate this information, your team creates and shares a package containing 2D and 3D views of the updated portions of the model. The package appears on the timeline for all teams to see. Since Design Collaboration maintains versions of every file that has been updated, its change visualization interface can be used to help everyone see what has been added, modified, or deleted in the latest update. We will explore this further in our next video.